Hello guys, welcome to my channel Abra Designs. So today I'll be showing you how to create a donut in Adobe Illustrator, and I actually had fun doing this mostly because it was easy and I love donuts. I mean, who doesn't love donuts?
Donut. Donut. I think you and I are gonna get along just okay.
Donuts really do bring people together. So starting off, we're going to create the base, that is the bread of the donut. So we have to get that perfect donut shape. When we have the base of our donut, we are going to keep it aside and focus on creating the cream layer of our donut. But before we do that, we are going to create the hole, the part in the middle of the donut. Now we are going to carefully draw the cream by hand, and don't worry, you don't have to be a perfect artist. Just try your best and use the smoothing tool to get it done. Selecting everything, we're going to use the shape builder tool and press Alt to delete all the unwanted parts, leaving the cream layer of our donut. Once we are done, we can join our two layers. But let's not forget to create the sprinkles for our donut. We're going to do this by using the shape tool, creating little rectangles. You can spread the rectangles over the donut however you like. Now with the direct selection tool, I'm going to curve the rectangles so they look more like sprinkles. Let's add some detail to our donut. And now we can add in the colors. So as you can see by the right, I have already picked out the colors to add to our donut. You can obviously choose any color you like. And here we have our donut. You can download the files for this illustration in the description below, and be sure to join my Telegram group where I'll share with you free mockups, illustrations and many more. Thank you.